about that last group, but this is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is bad, dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. Wanted to watch our high. I would never send them anything dangerous if I damaged the ship.
Come on in, wait right behind them. We'll do 2 pilots, 2 gunners. Your color is going to be the color blue, okay? Blue is your color. Come on in. How many? 1, come on in. Just wait right here, please. How many? 2, come on in. Wait right behind them. We'll do 1.
Friends, welcome in. What color did we get? Green. Right over here, friends. Green, come on in. Perfect. I need my 2 pilots right up here, front and center. Right behind them, I'll take my gunner, and it looks like we got no engineers, so no mistakes today, okay? Alright, perfect. My pilots are going to be responsible for flying us here today. You, my friend, you're going to be taking us left and right today, okay? Just remember that left goes left, right goes right, alright? You're going to be taking us up and down. Your controls are reverted, alright? So remember that pulling towards you is going to be taking us upwards. The pulling away from you is going to be taking us downwards, okay? Alright, my gunner, you're going to be responsible for keeping our pilots safe and sound, something I'm sure you're already great at. Anything that looks like a threat, we'll shoot first, we'll ask questions later, okay? We got no engineers, so no mistakes, alright? We're all ready to fly your crew? Hurry, all the way down, bring back out to credits.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Ohnaka Transport Solutions, get out of here, go
Seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. I hope you're in good shot. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, made the jump to light speed. Oh, there is the train. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Fire the ammo. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes! You got one! Excellent, my friends! Power up the ship! Well, I grab the coaxium! You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium! Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car! Gunners, fire the harpoons! Gunners, shoot the train! The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting! Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it. You keep after the train. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for smashing the Falcon, is... Hey, not bad. Time for you to go, and don't worry, payment is on the way, trust me.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the